Can you really change your life through manifestation? A hidden manifestation method is turning skeptics into believers, transforming careers, relationships, and bank accounts in record time. This isn't your average think positive advice. It's a precise, scientifically backed technique that taps into your subconscious mind, aligning your deepest desires with the universe's infinite potential. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this powerful practice that's been kept under wraps until now. Let's start by understanding what manifestation really is. At its core, manifestation is the process of bringing your thoughts and desires into reality. It's based on the idea that our thoughts and beliefs shape our experiences. But here's where many people get it wrong. Manifestation isn't just about positive thinking. It's about aligning your subconscious mind, your actions, and the universe's energy to create tangible results in your life. Traditional manifestation techniques often fall short because they only engage your conscious mind. You might repeat affirmations or visualize your goals, but if your subconscious beliefs don't align, you'll hit a wall. That's where this forbidden technique comes in. It bypasses your conscious mind and speaks directly to your subconscious, rewiring your deepest beliefs while you sleep. Now, let's dive into the 7 key components of this life-changing technique. Each one builds on the last, creating a powerful synergy that can transform your reality faster than you ever thought possible. 1. The Theta state gateway. Ever noticed how your best ideas come when you're half asleep or just waking up? That's the Theta state, a brainwave frequency that acts as a direct line to your subconscious mind. It's in this state that we're most receptive to new ideas and beliefs. The forbidden manifestation technique harnesses this theta state, but with a twist. Instead of leaving it to chance, you'll learn to induce this state deliberately, right before sleep. This isn't meditation or hypnosis. It's a specific breathing pattern combined with a unique visualization that opens your mind to receive new, empowering beliefs. By entering the theta state intentionally, you're creating a nightly window where your subconscious is wide open to positive change. It's like upgrading your mental software while you sleep, installing new beliefs that align with your deepest desires. 2. The reality bridge. Once you've opened the theta state gateway, the next step is building what we call the reality bridge. This is where things get interesting and where many traditional manifestation methods fall short. The reality bridge is a mental construct that connects your current reality with your desired outcome. But here's the key. It's not just about visualizing your end goal. The reality bridge fills in the gaps, creating a step-by-step pathway in your mind. Here's how it works. As you drift off to sleep, you'll use a specific mental exercise to construct this bridge. You'll see yourself taking actionable steps towards your goal, overcoming obstacles, and making progress. This isn't daydreaming, it's strategic mental programming. By repeatedly crossing this reality bridge in your mind, you're training your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities in your waking life. You're literally rewiring your brain to spot the path to success, even when it's not obvious to others. 3. Emotional anchoring. Now we're getting to the heart of why this technique is so powerful. Emotion is the fuel that drives manifestation. Without it, your desires are just hollow wishes. But with the right emotional charge, they become unstoppable forces. The forbidden technique uses a method called emotional anchoring. This involves linking your desired outcome with intense, positive emotions. But we're not just talking about feeling happy or excited. This technique taps into your deepest, most profound emotional experiences. You'll learn to recall moments of pure joy, overwhelming gratitude, or intense love. Then, using a specific mental exercise, you'll attach these powerful emotions to your goals. This creates an unbreakable bond between your desires and the most potent forces in your subconscious mind. The result? Your entire being, conscious and subconscious, becomes aligned with your goals. You'll find yourself naturally motivated, taking inspired action without even thinking about it. 4. The quantum feedback loop. Here's where science meets manifestation. The quantum feedback loop is based on the observer effect in quantum physics, the idea that the act of observing something changes its behavior. In the context of manifestation, this means actively looking for evidence that your desires are coming true. But the forbidden technique takes this a step further. You'll learn to create a mental feedback loop that reinforces positive changes in your life. Each night, as part of your pre-sleep routine, you'll review your day, focusing on any signs, no matter how small, that your manifestation is working. This isn't just positive thinking, it's training your brain to spot opportunities and recognize progress. As you consistently reinforce this feedback loop, you'll notice more and more evidence of your manifestation in action. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy, but one grounded in quantum reality. 5. Subconscious reprogramming triggers. We all have limiting beliefs that hold us back. These are often deeply ingrained, operating below our conscious awareness. The forbidden manifestation technique includes a powerful method for identifying and neutralizing these beliefs. Using a combination of specific phrases and mental imagery, you'll create what we call subconscious reprogramming triggers. These are like mental shortcuts that instantly neutralize limiting beliefs when they pop up. For example, if you have a deep-seated belief that you're not worthy of success, you'll create a trigger that instantly floods your mind with evidence to the contrary. This isn't just positive self-talk, it's a split-second mental reflex that shuts down negative beliefs before they can take hold. Over time, these triggers become automatic, rewiring your subconscious to support your goals instead of sabotaging them. 6. The manifestation momentum method. One of the biggest challenges in manifestation is maintaining consistency. It's easy to get excited and practice for a few days, but real change requires long-term commitment. That's where the manifestation momentum method comes in. This method uses a psychological principle called streaking, the idea that we're more likely to continue a behavior if we've done it consistently for a period of time. You'll learn to create a visual representation of your nightly practice, building a chain that you won't want to break. But it goes beyond just tracking. The manifestation momentum method includes specific techniques for overcoming obstacles, dealing with setbacks, and staying motivated even when results aren't immediately visible. As you build momentum, you'll find that manifestation becomes easier and more natural. It's like pushing a boulder uphill. At first it's a struggle, but once you get going, it starts to roll on its own. 7. The reality shift protocol. This is where everything comes together. The reality shift protocol is a daily practice that integrates all the previous elements into your waking life. It's the bridge between your nighttime manifesting work and your daytime actions. Each morning, you'll go through a specific series of mental exercises that reinforce your manifestation goals. This isn't just reviewing your goals, it's a multi-sensory experience that primes your mind and body for success. You'll learn to create a vivid mental movie of your ideal day, infused with the emotions from your emotional anchoring work. You'll activate your subconscious reprogramming triggers, reinforcing positive beliefs, and you'll set specific intentions for how you'll cross your reality bridge that day. The reality shift protocol ensures that your manifestation work isn't confined to your sleeping hours. It creates a seamless integration between your subconscious desires and your conscious actions. As you consistently apply these 7 elements, you'll start to see changes, often faster than you ever thought possible. But remember, this isn't magic. It's a science-based approach to rewiring your mind for success. You might notice small shifts at first, unexpected opportunities, chance meetings, or sudden insights. But as you continue the practice, these will snowball into major life changes. Relationships improve, career opportunities appear, and long-held dreams start to become reality. But here's a word of caution. With great power comes great responsibility. As you tap into these potent manifestation techniques, be mindful of what you're asking for. The universe has a way of delivering exactly what we focus on. So make sure your desires are aligned with your highest good and the well-being of others. This forbidden manifestation technique isn't just about getting what you want. It's about becoming the person who naturally attracts success, love, and abundance. It's about aligning your deepest self with the infinite potential of the universe. So, are you ready to unlock this hidden potential within you? Are you prepared to take control of your subconscious mind and reshape your reality? The power has always been within you. This technique simply shows you how to use it. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.